Hello. Welcome to English Podcast for Beginners. I am Lovely. I am so happy you are here. Today, we talk about a feeling. Do you feel nervous to speak English? Maybe you think, my English is bad. I will make a mistake. So you do not speak. Do you know this feeling? You are not alone. Many people feel this way. Today, we will learn why you feel this, and you will see it is not your fault. Please follow our podcast. It helps you learn more. Okay, let's start. So, why do you feel bad? The reason is pressure. What is pressure? It is a strong feeling to be perfect. You feel pressure from school. You feel pressure from English tests. Your teacher says, this is correct, this is wrong. You need good grades. This is important for school. But real life is different. When you speak to a person, the goal is not a test. The goal is connection. The goal is to understand and to be understood. That is all. Listen to this small talk.
Hello, how are you?
I am good, thank you. The weather is nice.
Yes, very nice. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
This conversation is not perfect, but it is friendly. Person A and Person B understand each other. They feel happy. This is a good conversation. The pressure to be perfect makes you afraid. You are afraid to make a mistake. But everyone makes mistakes. I make mistakes. You make mistakes. It is normal. It is okay. Let me say that again. Making mistakes is normal. It is how we learn. Think about a baby. A baby learns to walk. The baby falls down many times. But the baby does not stop. The baby stands up. The baby tries again. And then the baby walks. You are like that baby. You are learning English. It is okay to fall. It is okay to make a mistake. You feel bad because you want perfect English. But you do not need perfect English. You need to communicate. Let's say that word. Communicate. Communicate. Good. To communicate means to share. You share an idea. You share a feeling. Let's listen to the conversation again. Think about communication. Do not think about grammar.
Hello, how are you?
I am good, thank you. The weather is nice.
Yes, very nice. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
You see, it was successful. Two people shared a friendly moment. This is communication. This is the real goal. So, next time you want to speak, remember. Ask yourself, do I want a perfect test score? Or do I want to talk to a person? Choose to talk to the person. Your English is good enough. Your voice is important. Do not let the fear stop you. Let us remember the important ideas. You feel bad because of pressure. Pressure from tests. Pressure to be perfect. But the real goal is communication, connection. Making mistakes is normal. It is okay. Your English is good enough for a friendly talk. And that is wonderful. You are doing a great job. Listening to this podcast is a big step. You are learning every day. Thank you for listening. Thank you for being here with me. This is a safe place for your English. I believe in you. You can do it. Until next time, be kind to yourself. Keep practicing. Goodbye.